If you want to make $10,000s in passive income by just following professional trades and not doing any of the work, be sure to watch the full video. Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Doug. In today's video I'm gonna show you how you can be a part of the $100,000s in profit that these professional traders are making for their followers without doing actually any of the work. So let's not talk too much and get straight to the point with how to set up your Bybit copy trading account. So the first thing you guys have to do is just go to the top of this video and click on the partner Bybit link. Once on the Bybit link, you're just gonna make an account with my link, which now gives you up to 30,000 in deposit rewards. After you made an account, it's really easy. From the Bybit homepage, all you gotta do is to the top two derivatives and click on copy trading. Once we're at copy trading, you don't want to go to these guys because they do probably very risky trades to get these high return of investments and you're most likely to get wrecked. So what you're gonna do is listen carefully to select the best master trader, click on all master traders, then you're gonna up and down the follow so you can get the most followers profit. So these guys are making the most profit for followers. Then there's a couple indications you need to watch. The first one, that they make good profit for the followers. The second one, that their win rate is 90 plus. And the third one, that their stability index is 5. So stability index of 5 means they're doing very steady trades, not many risky, just up. So you're seeing the best ones are almost already full, but I'm gonna show you one of my favorites to look at. His name is as well Doc Crypto, but as you can see, profit for followers is positive, 94% win rate and 5 stability index. I'm gonna tell you guys right now, based on this profile, what the key indicators are you need to look at. So the first thing is trading days. If this is only 4 or 5 days, just leave. It's very risky, so make sure it's at least 15 to 20 trading days. Then the next thing you want to see is that the master profit and loss is profit, and also that the followers is profit. If one of these is red, just leave, it's dangerous. Then you want to see the win rate, at least 90%, and you want them to have at least 300 trades in profit. So don't join someone who only did 20 trades. It's risky, they just got lucky, they can eliminate or execute all your profit. So as you can see, 394 wins out of 415 trades, so a 94% win rate, high win rate, a lot of trades. Really good. So Doc Crypto with an O is looking very good right now. So the next thing you want to see is average holding time. This means the time they spend between opening and closing a trade. The lower it is, the better, meaning that they close trades really fast, so you don't have to worry about open trades being in losses. And other from that, really important, trading frequently. You don't want people who only trade 10-15 times a week, because they will make you money. You want people who trade at least like 50-60 times. So 82 is looking really good. Then another key point is you want traders to trade only BTC or Ethereum. Don't go for altcoins, guys. They will get you wrecked easily. Every time I saw it, an altcoin trader who made first a lot of profit and then eliminated or executed everyone's profit. So be sure if you go down that they're trading BTC or Ethereum only, so it won't be risky. So the last thing you want to know is that if you go to statistics of copy trade, that there's not many open trades. Like this trader has 0 open trades, looking very good. If there's open trade, be sure it's only a couple, like 5, 6, and that they're not very negative. If you open statistical copy trade and you see that they have 20 trades open, all minus 20%, don't even bother, guys. I know it's a lot of rules to follow, but it will keep you safe. I don't want you guys to lose money. So after you've chosen your master trader, which looks really well and promising with a nice stat, you go to the top and just click on copy. And now we're at copy. I'm gonna show you the essential steps you need to follow to put on the best copy trading settings. So the first thing we don't want, go to the top and click on advanced. If you're on mobile, click on advanced as well. It's at the top right. So no smart copy, advanced, because it actually reduces your profit because it's just too safe. Then just end the funds you want to use. In the next step, I will tell you the best amounts. So here we come to fixed margin. This is basically the amount of money that the master trader is going to use each trade. So basically what I recommend is that your margin is always your balance divided by 20. So if you have a balance of $200, be sure that your margin is 10. If it's 525, if it's 1050, 2100, 500, 250, 10,500, and so on. So if your margin is less than $200, be sure that you don't go lower than margin is balance divided by 10, or you will miss out on a lot of trades and will make less money. But the golden rule is always margin is balance divided by 20. So really important. So the next thing is leverage setting. So most people will just do follow traders leverage, but it can be very risky, and I'm gonna put you some nice amount of rules which you should follow. So it's really easy. The leverage settings, I would recommend putting 3 to 7x, with 3 being very safe and 7x being very risky. I most likely do 5x because I really like that and it works really well for me. And then the last step to actually protect yourself is stop loss per order, not a total stop loss, because a total stop loss won't protect you when you're in profits. It only protects your initial investment. So just a stop loss per order. And how you do that is if you have 3x leverage, you put 25%. If you have 4x leverage, 30%. 5x leverage 35%, 6x leverage 40%, and 70x leverage 45%. This is based on a lot of research. We have got 100 plus people in the community. We've been doing this for months and this seemed the best settings. So after you put your 5x leverage, for example, and 35% stop loss per order, all you gotta do next is just copy now. This is how easy it is, guys. So the next thing a lot of people are asking me always is, how much profit, Doc, can I actually make with copy trading? So again, how much profit you can make? So the profit you can make is basically based on the amount of trades the trader does, times the margin, times the return of investment, minus the master fees. So as you can see, 10% of the profit goes to the master because he's doing the trades for you, and then plus transaction fees. But it's really easy also to notice this trader, which I am, actually does 1/20th of the balance. So the return of the investment you see here is exactly what you can expect. Some traders only trade with 50% of their balance or 100% just to do risky trades to get high return of investment. And if you want to keep it safe 1/20, you won't make the same profit. So how can you basically check how many he does, how much he trades with? You can just see at the top total assets, then you scroll down and you can see 0.05 BTC per order, which basically means like 1 in 20. So you know that the 4.6% weekly is what you're gonna get, which is actually amazing. It might not seem at the first, guys, but when you compound, it can make you a lot of money safely. So let's say you put 4.5% weekly, then with a balance of $200, you will make $9 in your first week. But don't worry, guys, we will compound that to more. With $500, you will do $25 per trade, which will get you $22.5. $1,000 would get you $45. $2,000, $90, $5,000, $225, and $10,000 would get you $450 per week. Notice, guys, in stock markets, they even aim for 10% per year. So 4.5 is amazing. So to make $300, you would actually need like $7,000 investment. But you don't really have to start with that, because there's an other way. That means compounding for optimization. So how does that really work? So like I said, guys, the margin should be the balance divided by 20. But if you make progress and profit, you should actually increase your margin. So let's say you start with $200 and margin 10. When your balance, so your equity, reaches $220, you put margin 11. When it reaches $240, margin 12. When it reaches $300, margin 15. That will be like 50% more margin than $200. So you will already make 50% more profit than you initially started with. So as you can see, you don't need a lot of money. If you just keep compounding your profits, you will get more and more profits. And after a couple weeks or months, you will actually be at a place where you make insane amount of money, a low amount of investment. But it's all patience. So how do you actually increase your margin? Really easy. So you just go to the copy trading back. So from the homepage, copy trading, then at the top right, you just click on copy trading. Then this opens your window. You just click on master traders and then details. And when you do details, you can just more settings, copy trading settings, guys. And here I can just put, I made money, let's say, I will just put this as 11. That's how easy it is. So the next thing people ask me also is how can you adjust your setting? So just the same thing, copy trading, top right, we go to masters like we just did, and we can click on settings, copy trading setting, and let's say you start with fixed leverage 3x to test it out and want to go to 5x, you just do that. So really easy, then just configure settings. Let's say you're really impressed with the master trade and you start out with a low amount and wanted to invest more. Really easy, guys. Just go to the master trader the same way we just did, tools, copy trading, top right, master trader, and we click on increase investments. And here you can just add from your derivatives spot account or funding account more money to your master trader. And when you add more money, be sure to go to the settings again and just fix your margin. Then another great thing that people always ask me, Doc, let's say I made a lot of profit and I want to take some profits out because I want to keep them or use the money. Then the same thing again, tools, copy trading, top right, master trader, and then you go to more settings and reduce investments, and then it says max reducible amount. So let's say we take $60 out, guys. We just take $60 out, and now we're only following $50. And if you want to increase again, here we have $60 and we can do that again. So this is really how easy it is. So it's very easy to do and it's very quick if you just take the right steps, guys. Don't go for this high return of investments because they will wreck you. Always look at the best settings and the best stats. So basically, my final tips for this video, guys, really easy. So margin should be balance divided by 20. Pick a leverage that is 3 to 7x, then pick a stop loss order from 25% to 45%, which comes with 3x is 25 and 7x is 45. Increase margin when balance is increased. So when you add more money or when you make money, be sure to increase your margin to actually make more money. Never cancel a trade yourself, guys. Don't be scared. They will have your back. But if you're really scared and just say, this is nothing for me, you can always cancel. So of course, sign up with my link to get bonuses and reduce trading fees and help me out. Also, for questions, you can PM me on Twitter or the Telegram group, which is on the top pinned, not pinned comment, guys. And this community has over 100 members, which would gladly help you with everything you need help with. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like if you did, subscribe for more crypto content, and YouTube. Until next time.